The Steneodon is a descendant of the Plateosaurus that lives in the deserts of Magnus looking for food. They are medium-sized herbivores, only growing to be about 10 feet tall, 15 on their hind legs, 17 feet long, and only weighing about 3 tons. Its name means narrow tooth because it feeds on leaves from inside bushes that other herbivores couldn't reach. They can also switch to bipedal stance to reach leaves that smaller herbivores have trouble accessing. They also possess sharp claws that allow them to grasp onto the tree trunk as it eats the leaves to prevent the creature from falling into a quadrupedal stance in the middle of eating. The claws are also used to defend itself against predators, though they aren't nearly as sharp as those on the Mesolonyx. The three-humped camel is a creature native to the planet millions of years prior to the project. This camel gets its name because it sports 3 humps on its back. These humps are used for storing water and milk. In the females of their species, 2 of the humps store water, and the 3rd hump stores milk for its calf to feed on. The humps can also control body temperature to keep them cool in the hot deserts. They can also be domesticated by the Magnusians and used to carry goods from point A to point B. Unlike the ungulates back on Earth, the 3-humped camel sports paws instead of the usual hooves. This helps the animal grasp onto the sand in the event of a sandstorm. The Brontodon is a creature native to the planet millions of years prior to the experiment. This creature, despite looking like a dinosaur, is actually a mammal. Imagine a cross between a triceratops and a rhinoceros, and you have the Brontodon. Its name means thundering tooth, because when it bites onto the bushes and trees, its teeth sound like thunder when it closes its mouth. This herbivore is mainly docile unless provoked, and when attacked, it will charge its speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. When mating, the most surprising thing takes place. Instead of being 2 males fighting over a female, it's 2 females fighting over a male. Before they can mate, the male must choose the strongest female to mate with. The females will then fight, and the winner gets the male while the loser becomes food for a potential scavenger. The sky monkey is a creature native to the planet millions of years prior to the experiment. Imagine a monkey mixed with a rabbit and a bat. These little critters are cute and very curious, always investigating everything. Their cute behavior makes them great shoulder pets, but their curious behavior can get them into trouble sometimes. The sky monkey can get a bit mischievous, stealing objects and food from people and other creatures, and they always laugh about it. But even the other creatures on the planet have a cute overload every time they see this creature. So much so that they will even protect it with their own lives. If a predator or a Magnusian tries to attack a sky monkey, all hell will break loose, and every creature within a 2-mile radius will charge after you. Even creatures that are generally docile.